Top Global Parts is a global leader in heavy equipment parts supply and the #1 parts provider in Korea. Top Global Parts, established in November 1994 in Korea. Today, we work with more than 1,500 partners in over 80 countries, continuing to grow each year toward becoming the world's premier heavy equipment parts company. At Top Global Parts, we believe quality control from start to finish is essential. Our team employs the most advanced equipment and testing methods to ensure strict and thorough quality management. From accessories and filters to the latest travel and swing motor devices, we supply over 100 categories and more than 100,000 parts worldwide. Built on trust and quality, Top Global Parts supplies genuine and OEM parts to world-leading heavy equipment and automotive brands. We're always ready to deliver satisfaction, proving excellence not only in our products, but also in our service. We care about you. We are always committed to your success. Driven by quality, defined by trust. We are Top Global Parts.